History of the United States of America, USA. The history of the USA is long and interesting, starting from the 15th century to the present day. Here's a brief overview. 1. Before European colonization, before 1492, the land was inhabited by Native Americans with diverse cultures, languages, and lifestyles. 2. European colonization and settlement, 1492 to 1776. In 1492, Christopher Columbus arrived in the Americas, though not directly in today's USA. European powers like Britain, France, Spain, and the Netherlands began colonizing parts of what is now the USA. In 1607, the first permanent British settlement was founded in Jamestown, Virginia. In 1620, the Pilgrims arrived in Massachusetts and established religious communities. 3. American independence, 1776. The 13 British colonies rebelled against British rule, starting the American Revolutionary War in 1775. On July 4, 1776, the Declaration of Independence was written, and the United States of America was founded. In 1783, the war ended with American victory and recognition of independence by Britain. 4. Constitution and expansion, 1787 to 1861. In 1787, the U.S. Constitution was written, establishing a federal government with three branches: legislative, executive, judicial. The U.S. began expanding westward toward the Pacific Ocean. 5. The Civil War, 1861 to 1865. The war was mainly over slavery and federal unity. It was fought between the northern states, Union, and southern states, Confederacy. President Abraham Lincoln led the North to victory, and slavery was abolished. 6. Industrial age and social change, 1865 to 1918. The U.S. became an industrial power with factories, railroads, and large cities. New York City became a major financial hub. 7. World War I, 1917–1918. The U.S. joined the war on the side of the Allies and played a key role. World War II, 1941–1945. After the Pearl Harbor attack, the U.S. joined the war and became a global superpower after winning. 8. Cold War era, 1945–1991. The U.S. and the Soviet Union entered the Cold War, a period of political and military tension. Key events included the space race, NASA, the Vietnam War, and the Civil Rights Movement. 9. Modern America, 1991–present. After the Soviet Union collapsed, the U.S. became the world's sole superpower. The September 11, 2001 terrorist attacks led to wars in Afghanistan and Iraq. In 2008, Barack Obama became the first African American president. Let me know if you'd like a more detailed version of any part.